this? A little pretty ocean in a bowl? Test zone? And what is this? Sammy? Oh, my feta! What happened to you?
I tried to go to the bottom of the ocean to find Spongebob, but it didn't work, and I turned into a sponge!
Sammy, that's not safe. Please don't do that again.
Okay. Ah! Ouch! But Sue, how else can I meet Spongebob?
I have an idea. Let's craft him.
Yay! That's genius, Sue. I'll go find the materials right away. Hello? Underwater delivery? We need a yellow sponge. Stat!
You're in luck. We just got a new shipment.
What? Hello? I can't hear you!
Hello? Are you still there?
Is this thing working at all?
Hello? Hey! Whoa!
Shiver me chatters! I definitely didn't see this coming. Whoa.
Your yellow sponge is here! Hold on. Hey, come down! Who's gonna sign for the delivery?
I'm trying!
I've got you, buddy. This will be the softest landing.
I'm coming! Phew! Thanks for saving me, pal. Sue, look! It's even already yellow, like SpongeBob!
Great job, Sammy. That really saves us some time.
Are you saying we're not going to craft at all?
Of course not. We will craft. We only need to work up this sponge a bit.
Oh, for how long should I wait, Sue? You know I'm not good at being patient. Ugh.
You know what? If you help me find the rest of the materials, things will go much faster.
So why didn't you say so right away? Super speed mode, on!
Guys, while I get the glue ready, keep an eye on Sammy.
This old chest has the best craft materials ever! Ugh, heavy. Alrighty, let's see what we have in here. A sleeping unicorn? Nah. A surfboard? Seriously? A half-eaten donut? Now what is this? It's yellow and weird. Could be of use. Hey, Sue, will these come in handy?
Oh, sure. These are called pipe cleaners, and they are just the perfect colors. Guys, remember to be careful with hot glue. From down here, the famous square pants will go. We'll glue the pipe cleaners as close together as possible.
Sue, maybe I should wear square pants too? You know, to look like my friend.
Better help me with his arms and legs.
Okay, how do I do that?
Take a few pipe cleaners and get creative.
That I can do!
In the meantime, I will finish the yellow part.
Something doesn't look right. Why did Sue give me the hardest part? I got it! You gave me broken pipe cleaners!
What are you talking about, Sammy? These look perfectly fine to me.
I wonder how that happened. You're welcome!
Oh, Sammy, you always panic for nothing. Look at that! In a few seconds, you will meet Spongebob. Doesn't he look cute already? We only need to make his face.
I already took care of that, Susie. Looks cool, right?
It sure does, Sammy.
Oh, I simply love my wide, goofy smile. Hey, give it back!
Why don't you better look at this?
Holy cannoli!
Just one little detail. And your buddy SpongeBob is ready.
Finally! Come here, pal! Wait! Sue! He's not alive!
Yeah, I know. But what can we do about that?
Got it! I know exactly who can help. Welcome to my magic show! It's me, Sammy the Great!
Woohoo! Bravo!
You are about to witness how one yellow sponge comes to life! Spongy Pungy Cheese-a-Longy! Oh no! What did I do? I must have used the wrong spell!
Relax, Sammy. I think I got this. Bibbidi bobbidi subscribity!
Hi, everyone! Wow, I finally made it to land. Wait, where's Patrick's star?
Here's a star! I'm not sure he is a Patrick, though. Ugh. Ah!
This is my Patrick. I can't be here without him.
Got it! Give me a minute. We'll find you the right star.
Sammy, come here. There you go.
Thanks! Patrick! Where are you? SpongeBob misses you! Sue, how could we forget about Patrick?
Let's just make him right away. Go find the materials.
Okay.
And I will deal with the template for our one and only Patrick Star.
Yuck! This thing smells really bad. It's perfect for our craft, though. Ew.
Hey, Sammy, what's that? Oh, my Poseidon. It smells worse than seaweed.
Really? Who would have thought? Never mind. I'll fix it.
Blech! I'd better wash my socks more often.
All right, Sock. Get ready. You won't be stinky anymore. One flower-flavored craft material is at your service.
Thanks, Sammy. Look, the size is just perfect. Now let's do some sewing.
Friends, don't try this without adult supervision, okay?
Here we go.
Hey guys, did you see where SpongeBob went? Whoa, what was that? Hey!
Looking for me, Sammy? I challenge you to a pillow fight.
Ah! No, SpongeBob, not now! We're not done with Patrick, remember?
Huh? Right. No pillow fight for me then? Oh.
Speaking of pillows, I'm taking this to the craft table! Hey, Susie! Check out what I found for our craft!
Looks familiar. Did someone ruin my favorite pillow?
I don't know! I think I'd better go now.
Right. A good crafter would sacrifice anything for the sake of craft. Here come two cute little arms and a pair of stylish green shorts. Patrick will be ready in no time.
Come on, SpongeBob! You wouldn't want to miss it! Whoa! Hurry up! Patrick's here!
What, really? Is it my best buddy? Yay! Oh, Patrick, I'm so happy to see you.
Wait, he can't hear you yet. Alakazam, alakazoo.
Wow, am I alive? Hold on, what am I doing on land?
While SpongeBob and Patrick are catching up, let's have a good look at them.
Now this is a real pillow fight. Haha!
You're right. We can't do this underwater, can we? Haha.
Wait for me, guys! Oh, hey friends, did you like our adventure? Then hit like, subscribe, and check out our other fun videos. Patrick! SpongeBob! I'm cutting! Eat! Right now! Shoot better!
Sammy, it looks like you fed him something indigestible. He might develop a stomachache.
The trash-eating monster can't have a stomachache!
Let's see. Aha! Now we can check it. May I do an examination? Thank you. Oh!
What is it? Is something wrong?
We've got some bad news. This trash can must take a sick leave.
Shiver me chutters! Who will eat all of this garbage then?
Well, I have a candidate. Let's go! Guys, today some hard choices should be made. To get rid of all the garbage in the house, we should take harsh actions.
Oh no! I don't want to get rid of Patrick!
Nope, we won't do that. But eating trash can turn him into a monster. Are you ready for such an outcome, Sammy?
Let's get to it! I'm not a slime who's afraid of monsters!
If you say so. First, we'll cut out the cardboard pieces for the lower part of the trash can.
Guys, be careful with the cutter! Or better ask an adult to help!
Patrick will have an opening mechanism inside. Let's prepare the pieces for it.
For some reason, I'm having strong déjà vu. Wait a second! We've already We made monster-eating trash cans, right?
Yep, guys, do you remember that craft? If not,
You can find it on our channel.
that monster trash can totally was a fast eater.
I hope Patrick will last longer.
Well, in that case, we should feed him well and never upset him. He's kind of short-tempered.
Uh-oh, what if he'll eat me instead? Susie, will you save me?
I thought you said you're cool with monsters.
I'm not sure anymore. Please hide me here.
Okay, as you wish. Move 2 steps away. Now let's count to 3. 1, 2.
Oh no! I've started developing claustrophobia! Get me out of here! Whoa, Susie, you're my savior! I'm feeling better now.
I'll always help you out, so you shouldn't be anxious about being eaten.
Thanks! Then let's move on to the upper part of our Patrick.
Guys, check this out! Sammy's made a pattern to cut out the upper piece and… whoosh! Here is the final shape. Now let's bend it.
Those short cuts will help us make a cone shape. Ooh, I can't wait to meet our Patrick!
We need to glue these together. Check it out, it's already bending. Let's repeat the same steps with the other cuts and shape Patrick's head.
Be careful with the glue gun, guys! It's very hot!
Here we need a bit more effort to bend this part.
Sue, we need some cuts on the lower parts too! Ah, you already did it.
The next step is making a cone shape. You need a lot of glue here. Bend it like this and you'll get the final shape. Easy peasy.
It looks too simple so far. Where are Patrick's features?
You're right. Let's start with the eyes. They're big and round. Here we go.
Hey, Susie, want to see something fun? Oh, ouch!
Wow, wait a second. Where are you going?
Brr, I think he's just hypnotized me.
Oh, my feta. What other surprises will he bring us? Guys, stay tuned.
It's not scary from the inside. I like it.
Excuse me.
Okay, now we can move on to the next stage of our craft.
Let's change the set then. We've made almost the same pieces for our previous trash-eating monsters. Only this time we've made slight changes.
Then don't skip this part, Susie. We must know everything.
All right, now we're making the lever to open and close the lid. The piece in the middle is a bit shorter than in the previous craft.
This is a very important decision, but I still don't get why you made it.
Sorry it isn't obvious for now. I want to make the lever a bit higher, where Patrick's belly button will be.
Yay! I'm sure Patrick would love this. Guys, subscribe to our channel. Well, Sue, you're a real master.
Thanks! And this is the new lever here. Where's the belly button?
Here, I found one just the perfect shape.
That's so nice of you. Here you go, Patrick. The last piece is a wooden stick to open up the lid.
Not the lid, Susie. It's Patrick's mouth. Be consistent.
Right. Let's attach the lower part of our Patrick. This way. All done. What are you up to, Sammy?
I'm working on his pants now, but it's kind of a tough task.
Let's postpone it for later and deal with Patrick's teeth.
I've got shampoos. Check this out. How do I look?
Fierce! Guys, we are going to embed the pieces like this one into Patrick's mouth.
Welcome to Dr. Sam's. Today, you'll learn how to make the true monster's teeth.
Let's put this here. What do you say?
It's 90% cute and only 1% scary. We need more. Cool! Now we'll attach the upper half using this fastener.
You've missed one step. We also need a plastic straw. Actually, that's what we need.
All right, come on. Attach those pieces.
And this is what we've got. Let's turn our construction around. Hop. Now we can join the two halves together. We'll just lean them closer and add some glue.
Sue, it's awesome. You're a real engineer.
Wow, check this out, guys. Let's make a test drive. Open your mouth, Patrick.
Easy, Susan. Ah! Hey, get me out. It's dark in here and a bit scary, too.
Guys, we're moving to the next stage. The decor is waiting for us.
No. Shiver me cheddars. Why me? I'm zonked out already.
Come on, you can cover it with foam paper. It's not a big deal.
Okay, but you'll make the other arm by yourself.
Guys, let's learn to make Patrick's arms. First, we'll cut off the tip of a cardboard cone. Don't hesitate. Hop. Then we need to make 2 wide cuts on the length of the cone.
I see you're doing great without me, Susan.
I'm bending the arm right now. Guys, we need to add glue on each cut.
When you're done, you can start covering it with pink foam paper.
Wrap it tightly around the cardboard following its structure.
I'll speed up time for you. Here is the result!
Foam paper is very flexible, so it's not hard to do this. Next, we'll cover Patrick's head with the same pink foam paper. Here we go.
You need a lot of pink foam paper. I have a separate storage for it.
Also, don't forget to cut out holes for the eyeballs. Be careful.
I can't look. Well, maybe just a small peek. Check me out. Do I look like Patrick Starr's relative?
You totally do, but like a distant relative, maybe. Guys, check this out. Sam repeated Patrick's eyebrows' iconic shape. But let's get to the eyes. Sammy, they were here.
I took them, but I'm sure you'll like this.
Sammy, it came out just awesome. So, what do you think?
His jaw dropped. He's either shocked or enormously excited.
He was scared. Don't be hard on him.
I've covered the lower part with foam paper as well.
Okay, and what is this for?
Susie, he doesn't have any pants yet.
Right, let's make them then. Patrick wears his only favorite lime green ones. Huh? Who's ready for the fitting? I'm sure you'll like them. Guys, don't look. Check this out. They're just the right size.
But the iconic flower pattern is missing. Now it's much better.
These pants are the second most popular after SpongeBob SquarePants.
Susie, check this out. Cutlery for our hungry monster has arrived.
These look kind of flat. Let's fix it. Oop, oop. Now we'll transform cardboard cutlery into silver ones. Stop, don't move, who's there?
Susie, it's me. Just don't eat me.
Sammy, I was just kidding. Here, make the fork while I'm dealing with the knife. Nice handle, by the way.
Check this out. Patrick has already started the feast.
Oh, he's not a healthy eater. What if Patrick wants to slice something?
I've made a sharp knife for such occasions.
Guys, are you ready to see Patrick's monstrous look?
Be prepared to get some chills. Brr! And this too! And also, wait, it was important! Give it back! Shiver me chatters! He's digesting it! Sue, can you tackle it?
All right, let me try. Ugh! Yikes! Take it back and never throw it away again.
With your bare hands? Susie!
This guy seems like he wants some more. He's insatiable. Shall we feed him some slick slime? Do you agree, guys?
No way! I'm not tasty!
Guys, subscribe and you won't miss our new crafts. Cheerio!